So Intelliperson is a unique program we have at Intellias. It's a recognition program to all Intelli people. So what our people do, they contribute to the company in different ways. For example, they become trainers, mentors, they maybe start the community or do other things, and for that they receive different points. They have really nice online platform where they can collect their points and transform them into different sorts of rewards. For example, they can participate in quarterly raffles and receive some really amazing gifts. They can receive their personal branded gift, which is obviously cool as well. And they can receive 3 levels of the personal training budget and spend it on their development, on their growth, maybe attending some conferences or participating in different sorts of trainings, get different certifications. So it's obviously amazing. Besides their benefits, they can get personal growth, expand their network, grow their personal brand, and a lot of amazing things along with that. So as I mentioned, starting a new community can also bring you points for the Intelliperson program. And we have almost 30 communities at Intellias. Isn't it great? And this number keeps growing. I think we have 2 new communities per quarter at least. Today we have 3 types of the communities. We have engineering communities, business and social. There are different types of communities like AI/ML or .NET community. Among business, it is business development or delivery management, and among social, we have sport community, IntelliParents, and others. It's really amazing. We have communities where you can learn more, attend some tech talks, maybe participate in hackathons or other activities. You can join any community. For example, you are a .NET engineer, but you want to learn more about architecture. So you join .NET community, and you also can join architecture community. And you're a parent, you're a mother or father, you can join IntelliParents as well. I'm very excited because today, besides my daily work and meetings, I'm participating in Intellias office days, specifically charity garage sale. I think it's supposed to be really interesting. Come with me and let's check it out.